Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
Japan stayed away from intervening in the currency market in November for the first time in 3 months, the finance ministry said, as speculation grows for the US Federal Reserve to slow the pace of rate hikes as inflation peaks. Amazon said it recorded its biggest ever Thanksgiving weekend this year, as shoppers, undeterred by inflation, scooped up everything from New Balance sneakers to Nintendo Switch gaming consoles. Gold touched a 2-week high, supported by a weaker dollar after US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's speech sparked expectations of smaller interest rate hikes ahead. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. Apple's stock price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair exploded 1.5% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 13:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 13:30 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0700 hours GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 2030 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 2030 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.